Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. Today I am sharing a special Muslim style chicken biryani recipe. Just like the one served at weddings and festival gatherings, this biryani is aromatic, flavorful and absolutely delicious. I will show you all the tips and secrets to make perfect layered biryani at home. So please watch the full video, and if you enjoy the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's begin. For the fried onions, take a white pan and add 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 400 grams of thinly sliced onions. Spread them evenly and fry on medium flame, stirring occasionally so they cook evenly. Keep frying until the onions turn golden brown and caramelized. Be careful at the end because they brown very quickly. These crispy fried onions are very important for the authentic wedding style biryani flavor, so don't skip this step. Once the onions turn a deep golden brown, take a slotted spoon and with the help of another spoon gently press the onions to squeeze out the excess oil. Then transfer the onions to a paper towel lined plate and spread them out to absorb excess oil and keep them crisp. To marinate the chicken, make a paste of ginger, garlic and green chilies. Add 1 bowl of garlic, half bowl of ginger and 4 green chilies to a mixer jar. Add a little water and grind it into a smooth paste. Now our next step is to marinate the chicken for the biryani. Take a bowl and add chicken pieces. Here I am using 500 grams of chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic and chili paste, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now add all spices, 2 bay leaves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 3 cardamom, 1 piece of javitri or mace, a little peppercorns, 3 cloves, 1 star anise, the juice of half lemon, 1 tablespoon of fresh coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of mint leaves, 150 grams of curd or yogurt, 1 tablespoon of kevra essence. This is optional but gives wedding style aroma. 1 teaspoon of food color. This is completely optional. And add 200 grams of fried onions. Mix everything well so the chicken absorbs all the flavors. Marinade is done. Cover the bowl and let it marinate for about 1 hour. For the biryani, here I am using 500 grams extra long grain basmati rice. Wash it well and soak it in water for 1 hour. Next I am going to pressure cook the chicken pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil. Then add chicken pieces. The chicken pieces has been marinating for about an hour now. Mix it well. If you are using a pot, cook it for about 25 to 30 minutes until the chicken becomes tender. After 5 minutes, the chicken has released its water. Now add 200 ml of water to cook the chicken. Give it a quick mix. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt. Taste the gravy and make sure the salt is slightly on the higher side. Then when we add the rice, the flavor will be perfectly balanced. Keep the flame on medium. Place the weight. Pressure cook on medium flame for 2 whistles and turn off the stove. Next I am going to cook the rice. Once the water starts boiling, add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ghee or oil, 1 teaspoon of kevra essence. Add the lemon peel from the lemon we used earlier, 2 to 3 slit green chilies. Now add few old spices. So this is going to make the rice all the more flavorful. Bay leaf, cloves, cinnamon, black pepper, cardamom and mace. Now add the soaked basmati rice. Mix everything together. Now close the lid and cook till it's about 80% done. getting a nice aroma. Once the rice is cooked, remove the lemon peel and strain it and keep it aside. The cooker pressure has released. Now let's open it and check. The chicken is about 90% cooked. Now let's divide the gravy into two equal parts for layering the biryani. Once done, keep it aside. Now add plenty of fried onions, coriander leaves and mint leaves over the chicken. Now spread the 80% cooked rice on top. Now add the gravy that we kept aside earlier. Garnish again with little fried onions, a little mint leaves and coriander leaves, finely chopped. Little food color, this is optional. Sprinkle a little garam masala and we can finish it with 1 tablespoon of ghee. Then turn on the stove and close the lid. Again pressure cook on medium flame for 1 whistle and turn off the stove. If using a pot, cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. Then turn off the heat and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before opening the lid. Now I am going to open the cooker and show you how beautifully the biryani has turned out. You can see how perfectly the rice has cooked. Each grain is separate and fluffy. I am getting the lovely aroma here. Our special or authentic Muslim style chicken biryani is ready to be served nice and hot. Look at this delicious Muslim style chicken biryani. Fragrant, perfectly layered and filled with juicy tender chicken in every bite. Even in a pressure cooker, we got that royal wedding style flavor and aroma. Perfect for family dinners, special occasions or even dawat at home. Or you can serve it with some nice raita or salna by the side. And make sure you follow all the steps to get it perfectly. Do try the recipe and enjoy it. Share with your family and friends. So for more interesting recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram.